your boys and you, your Magi Kannas or Bhatar, do you think nobody on the earth can know your mischievous activity? That through digital doing mischievous activity, criminal activity, or through this watery vast medium, inner remaining witchcrafty scientific AI mind, your particular thousand magis vaginous mucus layer base mind Boshikaran, which is in Bengal, it is particularly known to this Pandit Kul. But this impostor who do and prefer misuse these practices of those magis to utilize and for बेश्या और सेक्स जौन और संभोग के कारण उसको compromise कर सकता है कॉमरेड मागी चुदीर बच्चा. But this message particularly the Supreme Court. मेरा गुरुदेव जब ममता is not come in government, when there was top crime doing by this government and ruling name of politics by Jyoti Bose team in 1994-95, there was inherent need, and when practically for that criminal politics doing, I left Bengal, go to Bareilly UP and then Nainital, where I got, or he brought me from Bengal, anarchic state, to higher study for veterinary sciences, which was the top world university institute in the before First World War. It was equivalent to London, Germany, etc. standard. And that institution where this institute stand, that was a property of Asiatic Society of Bengal, Royal Societies. In Diden time, Bengal Asiatic Society was taken by the Bengal Indian, Eastern Indian kingly peoples, where Rabindranath Tagore was prominent figure, and he used to come this place, Ramgarh, Nainital, Mukteshwar regions, and this Mukteshwar, Bhuwali, Nainital. It is a special background for this Aryan peoples who related with Monu, Ikhaku dynasty, and all the incarnations who came human form on the earth. All Bengali people as the most nearest Sanskrit speaking language, even though the bastard communist, it has maligned this language, but it is most polite and gentle, civilized Sanskrit language. Sanskrit mean is who avoids sin doing, who knows about this resultant of misdoing. So you have come in the judicial post. Judicial post activity, taking this job is so risky. If it is little shifting, it immediately sent to the hell going. Hell punishment is obviously is there. Even God may deny if you done sense any mischievous activity rather than ridiculous job. If you take thing, the judging is a ridiculous job, you can fulfill those responsibility in that way, particularly remaining in India, getting birth as an Indian. There is no excuse to compromise with judicial system, because all laws, universe laws, has been framed by Lord Vishnu and taught here for human, suitable for earth. So those who taken birth, who have got luckily birth, he obviously asked birth, and some his past life commitment or prayers. For any reason, he has got mankind human birth, an Indian birth. You bastard may not know these things, but when you talk about constitution is a Vidhi's law, Vidhi is God. In to talk about Vidhi word, Vidhi is very critical word, it is a Lord. So if you do not make ridiculous to this Vidhi's law when you taking oath to come this post particular judges. My Gurudev is casually talk me when I was praising his brother-in-law. Very famous in that sense also he has little bit sense of this crime doing and sin suffering. Because he quoted me that yes, I have learned that we have to read. If anybody come to the judicial post or law degree, then Vikramaditya Batris Singhasan story, that epic story, it is very important to learn that what is crime doing, if it is shit. Because if you have know this Betal Panchavinshati with Vikramaditya, even Yudhishthira in drinking water in a pond, so many story is critically tell about the